Are live activities not working on your iPhone? In this video, we've got your back with some fantastic solutions to get things back on track. Begin by ensuring that the Live Activities feature is enabled for that particular app. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on the app name to open its menu. Then, tap on Live Activities and make sure that Allow Live Activities is turned on. If it's not, simply toggle it on. On the contrary, check if the location services are enabled for the specific app. Head to Settings and go to Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Choose the app where live activities are not visible and select Always or While using the app. Also, turn on Precise Location. You can also try enabling and disabling airplane mode. Go to Settings, switch on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, and then toggle it off. Finally, if none of these fixes do the trick, consider updating your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Navigate to Settings, tap on General, and then select Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and download and install it. Fingers crossed, the Live Activities feature should start working on your iPhone. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tech goodness and dive into a video curated just for you.